In this video, I'll be showing you my full review of PLR Wealth. PLR Wealth is an info product that is going to be launched on 27th of September at 9 a.m. Eastern. And this product is all about how you can make money by reselling PLR products. If you don't know PLR products are basically products with private label rights, which you can resell the product, whether it can be a training videos, whether it can be ebook, that is already available. You just have to brand it, rebrand it, and sell it as your own product. So if this is something that interests you, please make sure you watch this video towards the end, as I'll be showing you what is there inside the members area of PLR Wealth. I'll be also showing you my custom bonuses which I have compiled for you guys, and you don't want to miss out on these bonuses as they are going to complement your PLR Wealth purchase. We will be taking a look at the sales page. I'll be telling you about the different price points, and finally I'll be telling you whether you have to get this or not. And in case you don't know me, my name is Saurabh, and this channel is all about latest product reviews, tips and tricks on affiliate marketing, and a lot more. So if you want to create your own products, then there are different ways to do it. Either you select a product in mind, you create a course around that, you host it on a platform like ClickFunnels or WordPress, and then sell it. But there is an easy way as well, is to use PLR products, and this particular course is going to teach you step by step as to how you can get those PLR products which are readily available on different websites, and how you can rebrand them and resell them. And along with this PLR Wealth, you're also going to get a theme, a website theme, which you can install it on WordPress, and you can sell the product. So everything is covered step by step in this course. But before I show you what all is covered inside this course, let me show you my bonuses. The link to my bonus page is in the description down below, and once you click on that link, you will come to this page. And the number one bonus I'm going to give to you is 100 info products with the resale rights. So you are going to get these 100 products which you can rebrand as per the training which you're going to get inside PLR Wealth, and you can resell these products. So this particular product, it talks about finding the PLR products and picking up and editing the PLR products. So if you go with the finding of the PLR product, there are different sources which are given from where you can purchase these PLR products. But as a part of my bonus, I'm going to give you these 100 products which you can resell. So bonus number 2, I'm going to give you 50 WordPress themes, so using which you can create up to 50 sites in different niches. So this particular product, PLR Wealth, it contains one website theme which is there inside this. But as a part of my bonus, I'm going to give you 50 of these WordPress themes. That is going to be so much beneficial to you. And bonus number 3, I'm going to give you 100 free high quality backlinks for your website. So by backlinks, it means the external links to your website. So the more the external links where different websites are pointing to your website, the higher it will rank on Google. So I'm going to give you these 100 backlinks for absolutely free as a part of my bonus. So the site which you're going to create using the training inside PLR Wealth, you can rank your site using these 100 PLR backlinks. Bonus number 4, I'm going to give you 40 additional info products which you can give away as free. So it's part of my course Profit Abundance, and basically you're going to get these 40 products which you can give away for free, give out as bonuses, and build an email list for yourself. Bonus number 5, I'm going to give you training on how to SEO blast your website. So again, SEO plays an important role in ranking your website, and this particular training is going to help you to rank your website which you're going to create. Bonus number 6, I'm going to give you 10 secret sites for traffic. So it's all good about creating a website and selling the products, but if you don't have traffic, if you don't have people, you won't be getting any sales. So I'm going to give you these 10 secret sites for traffic which you can use and get sales. Bonus number 7, I'm going to give you a collection of copyright free images, so you can use these images in your website, in your post, or anywhere you want to use. These are totally copyright free images which you're going to get as a part of my bonus bundle, and bonuses keep on coming. Bonus number 8, I'm going to give you a TikTok traffic software. So this is going to automate your work on TikTok. So you can build a following on TikTok using this software and promote your product, your website, your PLR products which you're going to sell. Bonus number 9, I'm going to give you another software which is TweetX. That is my product, and that is going to automate the Twitter traffic, and along with that you're also going to get a bonus page generator software. So these are kind of two softwares which you're going to get as a part of my bonus, and these are absolutely free. You are not paying any single penny extra for these bonuses. And bonus number 10, I'm going to give you a training on paid advertising, that is AdMax. So using this also you can drive a lot of traffic, paid traffic to your websites which you're going to create to sell PLR products. So these are the 10 bonuses which I'm going to give to you, and all your bonuses will be available right inside the Warrior Plus dashboard. Once you complete your purchase, just need to click on access affiliate bonus, and all your bonuses will be right there waiting for you. And all you need to do, just click on any of these buttons on this page. That will take you to this sales page. And the sales page says, it's a very easy, simple looking sales page. It says the easiest way to launch your own product without creating your own product. So basically you are not creating the product, you are just rebranding the products which are available. And it says discover how to use PLR to make money online. That's the simple thing. You can make money online using PLR products. So you can it says buy quality PLR, set up your own WordPress website, and resell the PLR as your own product while keeping 100% of the profits. And it also includes a custom done for you website theme to sell PLR. So you can create multiple websites using this theme in different niches. One can be your affiliate marketing website, one can be in make money online, one can be in health, other could be in relationship niche. So the possibilities are endless. And then you can have a look at the different page options on the sales page, where it shows how this PLR products are going to benefit you. And now talking about the price point for this PLR Wealth. So all these bonuses and the training, which I'll come to later on, it's only going to cost you $27. That's the price for the front end of this, and the front end contains 12 videos and a custom WordPress funnel theme which you can get. And then there are some optional upgrades. I highly recommend you pick up the first upsell, which is the unrestricted PLR right to 5 WordPress themes for $147. So basically you're going to get 5 additional themes for $147, but I have also got you covered through one of my bonuses where I'm going to give you 50 WordPress themes. And then there will be a downsell offer for this where you can get this for $97. So instead of 5, you're going to get 3 themes for $97. And upsell number 2 is the reseller rights, where you can resell this product as your own and keep the 100% profit. And you can watch the demo of PLR Wealth over here. And now talking about the membership area, let me show you what all you're going to get. So the first video you're going to get is the understanding of the PLR rights. What exactly does it mean? How to find the PLR products, what are the secret websites from where you can find the PLR products. So that is being given over here. Then the next module talks about picking and editing the products, how you need to edit the products, what all tools you would need to edit the particular product which you're going to get. Then comes the hosting and the WordPress setup. So everything is covered step by step over here. And the training is done by Chris, who is the creator of this product. And the next module is the website structure overview, how your website structure needs to be. Then comes the installing and editing the theme. So you're going to get the theme over here. And then comes the main part, how you're going to collect the payments, that is through PayPal and Stripe links, how you need to create those links and add them into your website. And then comes the setting up of the autoresponder. You would want to build an email list for yourself, and this will tell you how you need to set up your autoresponder through your website. And then comes the strategies for selling, how you need to sell the products, basically the traffic part. And I have also got plenty of softwares and trainings for traffic as a part of my bonuses. Then comes the ways to promote, how you can promote your website which you're going to create. And then comes the bonuses. You're going to get 100 WordPress videos, PLR videos, and then comes the frequently asked questions. So this is all you're going to get inside the members area. And then you're also going to get some options of having the rights explained, the PLR sources, the themes which are there, and how you need to upgrade the commissions. And then these are the other courses from Chris which you can pick up. So this is all about what you're going to get inside the members area. And now talking about whether you have to get this or not. See, if you're someone who want to launch your own product and do not want to start from zero, start from scratch, then this is the right product for you, as you will learn how to rebrand a PLR product. And there are so many people who are just completely rebranding the PLR products and making good money online. So if this is the strategy which you're looking for, this along with my bonuses is the way to go for you. Guys, if you have any questions, feel free to let me know in the comments down below. Again, the link to my bonus page is right there in the description. Thank you very much for watching. I will see you again in my next video. Cheers.